Hey all, so hi from New Jersey, Andy. So it's the first day of our pop up exhibit from New Jersey. Super duper excited, and I just wanted to do a quick live to showcase the brand new collection that we are going to showcase in the New Jersey. So a lot of people from different states of America are asking for pretty much a live or a video call. So I thought, why not we do a quick live video to show you the collection, and then you can block it and we can ship it from here. And thank you, Sampati Garu. How are you doing? All right, so the collection that we have in today is Banarasi Katans and Kadwa weaves, Kanjivaram saris, especially Kanchi tissues, and some nice vintage Kanjivarams as well, and a few in Gadwal silks, premium range of Gadwals, a bit of twill cuts, a lot of Mysore silk saris, pure Zari Kota collection, Chanderi silk saris, fancy organzas, raw mango silks, Banarasi Khadi Georgettes, Chinia silks, and these are some of the beautiful exclusive collection, specially handcrafted on Gadwals with this beautiful thread embroidered borders, absolutely new variety added. And these beautiful Banarasi Khatan silks with contrast borders. These are a few lightweight Gadwals. And we've got some beautiful tunics and some anarkalis. Gorgeous fancy party wear range of collection with sari blouses. And few beautiful bridal heavy blouses. And these are some nice kalamkari hand painted Kanchi saris along with some gorgeous digital printed collection in Kanchis as well. So you just name it and we have it all. And these are a few sleeveless blouses and some nice unique blouses. These are a few traditional concept blouses. You can mix and match a lot of collection. So just let me know what exactly are you looking for. I'll just guide you through it. Thank you so much, Andy. Okay, let me now start showing you the Kanchi collection. Alright, so this is the first sari, which is in lavender with a red color. It's a gorgeous sari. This piece, we've restocked it again on huge demand for the New Jersey show. So this is in a beautiful smaller border version of red color. And this is a nice, simple yet elegant blouse in red color where you can mix and match it with. You can also team out a nice heavy blouse based on the occasion. And this is a gorgeous Kanjivaram Pattu sari. And this is in a half white or a beige shade of Pattu with a nice yellow contrast border. This is very amazingly beautiful. Let me just give you a quick look of how it looked when I draped it out. Alright, so this is how it actually looked like when after draping it. It's a gorgeous sari, guys. It's a super flexible sari. It fits on your body with so much grace and body hugging fabric. It looks really elegant. So this is how it looked after draping it, just for a reference for you guys to see. And the next color that we have in here is a gorgeous green shade of a kanji tissue with a nice pink border. It's a very pretty, nice, bright color combination. And next up we have is another gorgeous sari. I think this is the exact sari we restocked back in New Jersey. A lot of people loved this in Virginia. I hope to get the same response here in New Jersey. And this is one such beautiful sari in tissue with meenakari and medium sized border. You also can see the blouse matched for this. You have a lot of mix and match blouses just in case. And this is another lovely purple monotone Kanchi tissue sari. Look at that shade of purple. It's a gorgeous color, guys. Very, very gorgeous shade of purple monotone tissue. It's a lovely sari. And next up is a nice contrasting option in a mint green with a nice contrast red border, and here you go with the blouse combination. And this is another monotone tissue sari in a peachish pink color, a very elegant color in peachish pink with a nice statement big border up to maybe 11 to 12 inches. And look at that gorgeous detailing on the body. And here we have one other lavender with a reddish pink combination. It's a gorgeous sari, guys. I love the color combination. It's not the regular pink or regular red. It's a reddish pink color. And if you closely see the detailing of the sari, we have this gorgeous buttas and this completely striped concept running on the body. A very smart, elegant sari this is. And next up, we've been receiving quite a good response for gold tissues. And here you go with one such beauty in a gold kanchivaram. And look at that intricate weave, guys. Such a gorgeous beauty it is. And this comes with this gorgeous color combination, since we have the selvage in that shade. And next up, another monotone kanchi tissue in a nice fusion pink color. It's a very pretty shade of pink, as you see. Gorgeous geometric pattern on the body. Very, very beautiful it is. All the kanjivarams that we have in here are absolutely hand woven saris, Andy. And next up is another a nice traditional festive edit, I can say. Maybe it's a golden yellow kanjivaram with a purple border, and that's the purple blouse you get along. It's a very unique, smart blouse. It's simple yet statement blouse. You can team it out with a very pretty one. And here's another beauty in a dull gold or a cream tissue with a nice Rani pink combination. One such evergreen combination looks very, very perfect for upcoming Shravana Masam or festive season. And this is the gorgeous pink blouse you can team it out with. And here's another beauty in monotone in pink kanjivaram. It's a completely tissue based border and tissue based sari with a unique design on the body. As you see, it's a completely geometric, unique statement design. And here is one other beauty that we've restocked from Virginia. Show that is this beautiful color combination of green and this lovely lilac or a baby pink color combination. It's a gorgeous beauty, guys. You can see how minimalistic the sari is, yet super gracefully done with a meenakari highlights in between these creepers, and the blouse that goes very well with this, just perfectly blending. This is how the blouse looks like. A very, very pretty sari. And here comes that beautiful vintage kanjivaram. Malika, can you get me the iPad? Yes, so this is another beautiful vintage kanjivaram in this bottle green and red color. This has got a completely horizontal stripes on the body and another elegant, very, very elegant sari. As you see how it looked after draping it, guys. Imagine wearing this on your special occasions and you are going to look divine. It's a lovely, lovely sari, guys. Do not miss this out. There you go. This is how it looked. You will thank me later for buying this sari. It's such a beautiful sari. And next, another vintage sari in this timeless edition of this beautiful maroon with a coffee brown border. And look at this color combination. I am in awe with this sari, the kind of weave it has and the color combination, this traditional gap border. What else do we need for this festive season? And there you go. This is how it looked after draping. In love with the sari, guys. I'm sure you're gonna love it too. This is how it looked, and this is a beautiful traditional smart blouse. You can also get it rather than the work blouses. This is another option, and look how gorgeous the sari is. Right, and next up is another vintage kanjivaram in half white with a gorgeous purple border which has a rustish orange selvage, and the body has this mango and peacock motifs all through the body. It's a very soft drape sari, looks perfect for this festive season. And the blouse is a bit heavy since I thought the sari body is a bit plain, so maybe we can probably team it out with a heavy blouse, but yet you can get your blouses customized just in case. And here comes one of the gorgeous vintage sari. I so wanted to show you how it looked after draping, but unfortunately I couldn't drape all of them. But trust me guys, this is one of the beautiful color combination. A very rustic sari with this gap border, traditional maroon, reddish maroon color, and this is a beautiful blouse option you can get along with it. And from here we have some nice premium range of Gadwal silk saris. This is an onion pink with a navy blue, and here's a half white with a pink color. Look at this divine color guys, beautiful color, and the simple blouse. It's a perfect combination, looks amazing. So this is a gorgeous blouse with the zari sleeves, and the entire blouse is without any work, but yet it will look very smart after draping it. And next up is a bright dual tone purple with a magenta shade with a nice beige border. And here comes a lovely bright color combination, sea green and sea blue dual tone with an orange color. And here is one of my favorite again, light onion pink with this gorgeous color. And this is not the regular pink or a regular red. Manchi kunkam color antam kada, very much similar. And this is a very much perfect blouse. Goes very well with this particular sari. Look at that beauty. And next up is another vibrant color combination of green color sari with a purple combination and this magenta pink kora. It's a gorgeous beauty in dual tone. Look at the dual tone of yellow and green. And that blouse with this is amazing. Since we have this beautiful pink selvage, we've added some thread embroidery towards this, and this is how the blouse looks. A gorgeous blouse altogether, which is very much perfect. And here comes one of such evergreen color in pink and yellow combination in premium gadwals, and one other favorite color combination. It's a nice elegant pastel peach with this wineish magenta shade. It's not the regular magenta we usually have. And look at this blouse. Just imagine the kind of look that you're gonna get out of this. It's a gorgeous traditional blouse with completely Kanjivaram pattern blouse, checks and motifs on it, with a broad neck, high neck at the back and broad in the front. With this smart blouse, this is gonna look divine, I'm telling you. And next up is a twill ikat sari, and that's another twill ikat in black. Hi. Hi, Andy. Hi. So these are a few Mysore silk saris in prints and in some nice gorgeous traditional concepts. And look at this blouse. I so wanted to show you this blouse. It's a gorgeous hand painted blouse. And look at the kind of a sari that you can team out with this. Amazing it is. It's a very festive and a very unique concept altogether. And these are some beautiful zari kotas. These are premium range of zari kotas. A few Chanderi silks for you. These are raw mango silks, chinia silks in traditional concepts and much affordable price range. And these beauties in this Banarasi Katan silk, super lightweight saris, looks very much traditional for this festive season. Gorgeous color palette we have it. And let me just quickly, Malika, can you get me right back? And these are these beautiful lightweight gadwals where you get this fusion concept of embroidered, hand embroidered, thread embroidered collection, and this is how it looks after draping it, guys. So gorgeous beauty. Look at the color combination, orange with this Rama blue or a Rama green 12-tone border. Lovely sari. And that's another shade of light cream color with this lilac or a baby pink border, and look how gorgeous the sari looks. Very classy and very unique. And let me show you one other color that's in this cream with a nice Rama blue or a green border. And there you go. A very smart, elegant sari. Yes. And a few more lightweight gadwals where you can mix and match. Some nice blouses. Alright, so guys, prati sari ki, if I had to mention the price, it's gonna take forever today. So I request you all to please unbox this on the number that I'm just commenting below. so that you guys can send in your queries and we'll be able to help you out. Okay, Manju Garu, I'll quickly show you the Zari Kotas that we have. So the Zari Kota collection, I have one in a nice pink color. It's a beautiful baby pink color Zari Kota. This is how it looks. It comes with the Paithani Munia border and all over creeper jal design with very minimal meenakari onto the body. And that will be the blouse in Rani pink color. And next up, I will show you another beautiful bright combination of purple with this gorgeous, beautiful big bold design. And this is how it looks with yellow, green and pink, and with the silver border with the pink selvage which comes with this pink blouse. And next up, I'm going to show you a beautiful, another gorgeous classic sari. I have to say this, guys. It's a gorgeous sari. Look at that brocade border. It comes with a pink selvage. A very unique design pattern onto it. With gold and silver zari combination. It's not a single zari, it's double zari used. And with this tissue blouse again. Very smart and elegant sari. And this is a tissue sari. And next up, we have a gorgeous double tissue sari, very, very unique, a statement piece of pure Zari Kota edition. Look at that design. Oh my God, it's a beauty altogether. Look at that unique color combination. It's a light beigeish color with this double tissue and this lovely design all through it. With this double tissue blouse, you get it in contrast, which matches the selvage. Very beautiful sari, guys. Perfect for weddings or half sari ceremonies or whatever it is. And we have one other masterpiece in Zamavar double tissue, and there you go. Lovely statement sari in pure Zari Kota with this pink brocade border. And look at the detailing, the kind of design on it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful sari, guys, and it comes with a pink double tissue blouse again. I love the color of this. Combination of red with a pink border is such evergreen color that you can't miss out on this. So this is a quick preview of this Zari Kota saris. So please inboxes on Malika, give me the number, na? Okay, give me that. It will be too confusing for the clients.
206.
Alright guys, 206
206
206
557
557
9908
9908 2620
206 206 26 CCC. Deleted.
206 557 9908. Alright guys, so I've just sent you the phone number on this comment section. And you guys can please send your queries on that particular number. We'll be able to help you out. And we are here till tomorrow. So I'd request you all to confirm whatever you want to, so that before we leave from New Jersey, we can ship them out and leave back to India. See you soon.